This is my Rubik's Cube solve. Mixing it up. Now, when it comes to doing a Rubik's Cube, for me, one of my greatest challenges is that I'm colorblind. So the orange and green sides are very difficult. I generally try and solve one of those first, if it's available. But at the same time, that can be quite difficult. Still mixing it up. Give it a couple more turns. Alright, let's see, another spin or two. Looking away. Alright, ready, set, go. Oh, there's yellow. First, I'm solving the top half. Or the top section. That's pretty easy there. Got that top cross finished. Blue, red. Alright, we have the top done. Oh, that's see. I just wasted precious seconds trying to differentiate green from orange. I'm not watching anything. I'm solving a Rubik's Cube, buddy.
Oh, I was Addie.
Addie went to her friends.
Can I go to my friends?
Is your room clean?
No.
Then no, you cannot go to your friends.
How can I go to my friends when my room is not clean?
Because you have to have a clean room if you want to go to your friends.
I said why?
Because first we work and then we play.
Do I need a room?
There I've solved the bottom half and I'm on the top. See, line piece up. Now I'm lining up the cross. And here we have it all lined up. This is in the correct position, so is that. We're a few moves away from having this solved. There. That is a Rubik's Cube solved.